Oh man. Oh hey now. Woo, dog. Yeah. So we starting out real strong. I actually wrapped this myself, believe it or not. This took me 3 days to wrap, but as you guys can see, I mean, I don't know about you, but that's money. In today's video, guys, we're gonna kind of see the final assembly of this car before the big reveal. So it's gonna be a good one. This will probably be on the course of the next couple days, just kind of buttoning this thing up. We gotta do the hood, we have to do the hatch, final adjustments on the suspension until we get it aligned, and then we have to clean the whole thing up, which probably I'll just do off camera. I guess we'll kind of do a quick little before and after shot. So you guys see what this thing looks like now. Fitment like that, gap up here, and all right, well, I don't know if it shows up on camera that well, but we dropped about a ½ inch and then we tucked it in a good amount. So that's about as much as we can. All right, now we move on to the back. All right, guys, now a little progress update, just kind of finishing up doing some of the kind of the, what do you call it, like that silicone sealer in between the kit and the car, just so we don't have, so we have a nice clean line, should I say. Also, I actually have some audio stuff that we're going to be messing with this car here shortly before our trip. For those of you that are wondering, when I say trip, we're talking about Import Alliance, Atlanta, leaving, when is that? I think the show is the 24th and the 25th. I think we're only going to the show on the 24th, and the 25th we'll probably do like some other stuff, so we'll kind of see. Hopefully we'll see a bunch of you guys there, but we're prepping for that. It's only a few weeks away, a little bit less, so moving on to our hatch now. See you, I don't know why, I don't know what's going on with this guy, but obviously we got a couple of little multicolor situation going on here. So, all right, guys. So little change of plans. I decided to kind of not spend, because the amount of time that I would actually invest into this thing to do it the right way, and right now it's just not needed. So I just went ahead and just painted the top portion where it was white, black. So there is a trim piece that actually does cover the kind of most of all of that. I don't have it. I would love to get it started with my trash pile. I need to sweep that up. These guys right here are headlights. Now there is obviously a cover that goes up on top and on the sides. However, we will be still seeing these. So I was gonna just wrap them black, but I think honestly I might just go ahead and paint them.
I'm stuck on something. Oh, by the way, if you guys are interested, these aren't factory. We had a video all about these guys. Crazy, crazy bright, pretty gnarly, but super, super effective. Check out the video. I guess if you guys are doing this at home, if you want to take your headlights out, there's just a spring that's holding in one of the corners. You take that spring out, and it's just held in by a couple notches. I forgot how heavy these things are compared to factory lights. And they just pop right up.
Alright, so it is now the next day, guys. I'm actually going to go ahead and start working on the hood, as you guys can see. Got it all ready. Obviously, you guys would have seen we repaired it. If you remember our huge, nasty gouge we had right there. Went ahead and fixed it. It is already wrapped. So now all I gotta do, we got it painted. I got it all good there. Now we just have to get it clear coated. So that's what I'm gonna work on right now. Yeah. Did someone ask for a glossy hood? Cause we've got one right here. However, guys, this came out awesome, 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 awesome. This is gonna be such a cool thing to see when you just pop the hood open on the 240 instead of seeing that nasty red and just garbage that we had before. Now we got something really clean to show. I'm gonna now have a little bit of a chill out session, make some tea, and have a little bit of a bite to eat, and then we'll be back to work. This came out awesome. For the amount of time that we actually put into the prep work, which is literally zero, I really did not spend a lot of time on the final prep because, come on, it is on the underside of the hood. You never see it, and anyways, guys, I never really built this car to be a show car. Yeah, this is just good. For something that's gonna be basically never seen and covered the whole time. You know, we were just, if you guys remember, is what my hood used to look like. Probably a little bit worse. Granted, it has the, but yeah, you guys get the deal. Oh. Hey. Oh. Much better. If you guys would have missed our whole oil cooler install, make sure you guys go check that out. But what I want to do is just tack weld this actual like custom, I guess, ducting plate I made to the actual crash bar. So it just dawned on me that we're finally done painting in here. Oh, no. Got the S14 to do. But on my car, I think we're done. Oh, apart from the headlights. So, you know what that means? We can permanently uncover this guy. Ooh, man. She really does need a detail. And then, okay. I'm definitely gonna show. That's pretty good. Let's see what we're gonna do here. Well, yeah, because the freaking bolt kind of doesn't belong in here. This can fit right off. That can piss right off.
Somewhere where it was snowing. Fucking race crazy.
Coming together. Gotta do the head. We got something special planned back here, so stay tuned.
What's up?
Alright. Now what we can do. Alright, Joe, we're gonna need your help here, my dude. I went ahead and wrapped this little back trim piece for the tail light in black. Way cleaner. It looked pretty crap before, like it was all real orange peely and like real pitted and stuff like that. So ooh. So I definitely should have probably filmed this, but I just kind of got in the zone and just did it. So this is a real quick brake line tuck, guys. So still rocking the OEM hard lines, and normally they run up through here. So I'm sorry I didn't get a little before. If you guys follow me on Instagram, if you don't, please do right here. You guys kind of see the behind the scenes because I did post it before and after on there. But here basically just kind of bent the lines right where they bend from factory. Just kind of made the bend a little more aggressive and just routed them to a point where they tuck under this little cowl lip. And they just run all the way along and just push those lines down, literally just crammed them down. You won't hurt them, they have some room to kind of maneuver. And then just tossed a couple zip ties, and as you guys can see now it's super clean up there. Also kind of routed the old brake booster line kind of in with it. So now guys, this is just, you know, it's just little details that just get better and better. Ooh. Alright guys, so the car is complete, literally complete. I just cleaned the whole thing, literally looks so good. I'm just going ahead now and doing a little bit of an engine bay detail. I figured I'd show you. I'm not going to show you the whole car now because you guys are going to have to wait for the reveal video, which is actually going to be tomorrow. Set your reminder, video's coming out 2 p.m. tomorrow, Eastern Standard Time. You do not want to miss it. This thing is epic. So I just want to quickly show you guys a little bit what I'm working on right here and just the difference of this purple. Super dirty. Spent some time over here, got her looking super fresh. Now as you guys can see, this thing is just popping. But like I said, come back tomorrow, 2 p.m. Eastern for the big reveal, guys. This thing is looking... I forgot how much I love the pig nose after putting this thing on. It looks incredible. So thank you guys so much for watching. You guys know the deal. Like, comment, share, subscribe. Turn those notifications on. Social media all down below, guys. I'll see you guys tomorrow. Lot to come, big things. I'll see you guys then. Take it easy. Have a good night. Peace.